J.s.c. Offshore Services (POS) was established in 2007 as a subsidiary of Petro-Vietnam Technical Services Corporation. Since its foundation, POS has made significant developments and became one of the most successful companies in the onshore and offshore construction sector. With the slogan, POS, Professional One-Stop Services orienting for the innovation and enhancement of service quality, it is a commitment from the top management to all working levels of POS to deliver high-quality service to clients in the safest manner. Currently, with the aim to fully address clients' demands in the energy industry and the industrial sector as well, POS is owning and operating strategic assets such as 300-men accommodation work barge, 5,000-ton cargo barge, fully equipped workshops of a total area of around 30,000 square meters. A variety of equipment such as crane, truck, forklift, generators, air compressors, overhead crane, auto and semi-auto welding machine, and many other modern equipment. Since its foundation, POS has guaranteed that all of the projects had zero lost time injuries. Especially in 2022, 3.5 million man-hours were recorded. And over the years, the total number of man-hours increased steadily, reflecting POS capabilities to perform a huge volume of work for the client. Throughout execution, POS ensures timely delivery, quality, and client satisfaction while maintaining a safe workplace with strict safety measures. POS possesses essential ISO certificates and has received notable J.s.c. awards. POS provides three core business segments, which are offshore construction, onshore construction, operation and maintenance services. POS is currently recognized as offshore construction service provider in 4 main categories including hookup, commissioning, EPCI for brownfield modification, transportation and installation, and finally decommissioning. With enthusiastic, skilled workforce, POS is capable to execute up to 3 offshore hookup and commissioning projects at the same time. Notable projects that have been successfully executed by POS in overseas market included provision of offshore hookup, commissioning, integration work for 3 locations including 6 wellhead platforms and 3 link bridges at Al Shaheen oil field offshore Qatar, by the contribution of 1,300,000 man-hours with 800 man for North Oil Company. Continuing the success of Galif Batch 1 project, POS has been selected as main contractor by North Oil Company to perform offshore construction works for Galif Batch 3 project. As of now, the project has successfully achieved nearly 2.4 million work hours and POS has achieved the first oil milestone on December 15, 2024, 2 weeks ahead of schedule. Additionally, other remarkable projects completed by POS such as provision of offshore hookup, commissioning and carryover work at offshore Qatar for Technip FMB, provision of offshore manpower services for hookup, commissioning and modification for Nasser project at offshore United Arab Emirates, and other offshore construction projects in Brunei and Myanmar. In Vietnam market, POS delivers successfully over 20 offshore hookup and commissioning projects. Not only known as a leader in offshore hookup and commissioning, but POS also aims to be an EPCI contractor for offshore brownfield projects. Up to now, many EPCI brownfield modification projects have been delivered safely and successfully by POS. Provision of constructability and brownfield modification studies directly for Qatar Energy. EPCI contractor for booster compressor project for Korea National Oil Company. TGTH-1 water handling system project for Hoang Long Joint Operating Company. E1 extension deck module project. Ruby A and B gaslift project. With the cooperation with our subcontractor and strategic partner, recently POS has successfully performed the transportation and installation work for several significant projects including Sao Vang CPP, Sao Vang Dai Wei Pipeline, Nam Kon Sun Pipeline and dozens of projects since its establishment in 2007. Decommissioning services is identified strategically as a potential business segment in coming years not only in Vietnam but also in the region. In 2021, signing contract directly with Chevron Thailand for provision of offshore pipeline decommissioning opens an opportunity for POS to gain practical experience, technology in this new service. This is one of our 3 core business segments. In recent years, POS has been involved in the execution of onshore industrial and fabrication projects. The scope of services for these projects includes fabrication of module, skid for installation works, construction services for renewable energy sector, construction services for onshore facilities such as refineries, chemical and fertilizer power plant. For this onshore business segment, POS has gained significant success, with a lot of projects successfully performed for clients. Fabrication of inlet and outlet ducting system for WHRU and OSTG. Provision of equipment, engineering, loadout, sea fastening and fabrication services for Barossa Surf Project. Provision of integration service for 33 suction bucket jacket for CHW2204 project. Provision of construction service of steel structure system. Equipment and technological pipeline for package A1 olefins plant for TPSK, LSP. POS is a professional service provider of modifications, operations and maintenance services. We provide full package of brownfield modification, operation and maintenance services for onshore and offshore oil and gas facilities, petrochemical complex, and refineries. We offer our clients the benefit of experience gained through our over 17 years performance history, multidisciplinary capabilities, expertise with characterization technologies, and a nationwide network of PTSC subsidiaries and resources.